Is the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, prioritizing kids' health or profits? In 2008, I resigned from the AAP because of their duplicitous stance on using mercury in vaccines. I had been a fellow of the AAP for 2 decades. It was clear to me this major medical group might be putting money over morals. Hello, I am Dr. K. Paul Stoller. The AAP represents 67,000 pediatricians in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. It's a trusted voice in child health care, but it's also funded by big pharma companies like Moderna, Merck, and GSK. These ties raise questions about their motives, especially as childhood chronic illnesses skyrocket. The AAP's top priority? Stripping parents of the right to decide what's injected into their kids. Why? It ensures a steady market for vaccines and drugs from their pharma sponsors. Their focus isn't on tackling major issues like childhood obesity or autism. It's on medicalizing kids, setting them up as lifelong pharmaceutical consumers. The AAP justifies this by pointing to rare measles outbreaks, claiming vaccines are safe. But history shows measles deaths in the U.S. dropped dramatically before mass vaccination, thanks to better nutrition. And safe. What does that even mean when adequate safety studies have never been done? Safe and effective is the mantra used to hypnotize the public, but with no basis in reality because the research on safety was never done. Forcing vaccines while ignoring adverse effects or ethical concerns, like the use of aborted fetal cells in some vaccines, raises serious red flags about choice and consent. Is the AAP pushing a medical fascist model where experts override parents? Or is it just chasing profits for its members and sponsors? Either way, their priorities seem to sideline kids' health for the sake of a booming pharma market. Parents, don't blindly trust. Question the AAP's motives, research their priorities, and protect your kids' future. Subscribe for more insights, and let's demand health care that puts children first.